You ever see a single word that acts like an entire essay? Well, today we're going to deconstruct exactly that. How one word with absolutely zero context can build a whole story, create a judgment, and deliver a really powerful piece of commentary, all by itself. So we're starting with a digital puzzle, really presented in its most basic form. Our job? Let's take it apart, piece by piece, and see what it's really trying to tell us. All right, so here's our source. It's a YouTube video from a channel called Kvaka. The title is pretty straightforward: Desperate Housewives, Susan Mayer. Okay, so we have a specific subject, but where's the commentary? To find that, we have to actually look inside the video. And yep, that's it. That one word you see on screen is the entire video. No images, no voiceover, no argument, just this. This right here is the mystery. So what on earth does this word mean? And more importantly, what is it trying to do? To solve the mystery of the word, we first need to get a really clear picture of the subject it's being aimed at. Who or what is being described here? So the video title gives us our first big clue. The context is Desperate Housewives, that hugely popular American TV series that was all about the lives of a group of women in what looked like a perfect suburban neighborhood. And the title narrows it down even more for us. Our specific subject is the character Susan Mayer. She was known for being the sort of every woman of the group, often clumsy, a hopeless romantic, and very emotionally driven. Okay, so now we have our target. Let's take a look at the weapon. Now that we know who we're talking about, let's really analyze the word itself. We're going to break down parazitke and uncover exactly what it implies. So, translated directly, parazitki means female parasites. Now, that minus key ending in Russian is absolutely key. It specifically marks the noun as both plural and feminine. So this isn't just about parasites in general. The label is being explicitly and intentionally gendered. And this is where the word's power really starts to unpack. I mean, literally, biologically, a parasite drains its host to survive. Figuratively, it's a deeply negative label, right? You're calling someone a freeloader. And then, crucially, you have the linguistic part. It's explicitly gendered. The criticism isn't just aimed at a person, but specifically at a woman. So what happens when we collide these two ideas? We've got the character, and we've got this potent, incredibly loaded label. And right here, you can see the core of the commentary. On one side, you have Susan Mayer, a fictional character we know. On the other, this label, female parasites. By just forcing them together like this, the video creates an instant, pretty aggressive reframing of her entire character. It's an act of pure redefinition. And just think about the power in that for a second. There is no argument. There's no list of reasons, no video clips to back up the claim. The assertion being made is that the word alone is enough. The label isn't presented as an opinion to be debated. It's presented like a self-evident fact. So what's the big picture here? This one-word video, as simple as it is, actually reveals something really powerful about how we build stories and form opinions, especially in the digital age. The key takeaway is this. The creator of this video has basically distilled every potential criticism of a complex, multi-season character, her financial issues, her romantic drama, her emotional behavior, and boiled it all down into one single, dismissive, and powerful word. An entire critical essay is implied, but it was never even written. And this brings us to a final question for you. Just think about the last article you read or video you watched. Was there one word, maybe lazy, corrupt, genius, hero, that did all the heavy lifting, that shaped your opinion before you even realized what was happening? How often do we let a single label become the entire story? It's definitely something to think about. Thanks for joining this explainer.